Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this beautiful freaking like brown mauve I don't even know fall look. I feel like I always struggle with this. Okay. I mean, why am I describing it? You guys can look at it. Just look at it. It's beautiful. You want to do this. It's gorgeous. Anyways, so I kind of got inspired this because it's so beautiful out, and I actually drove in the metro parks today, and there were some trees that were like ugly and like blah, like all like the leaves all fell off, but there was this one tree that I drove past that had these beautiful colors. It was like brown and like this like purpley color, and I was like, oh my gosh, this needs to be a makeup look, obviously, because that's just what any normal person would think when they're driving through trees and everything, you know, casually. So yeah, this is how I came up with this beautiful look. If you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, beauty babes, I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Natural Lust bronzer, and I'm just going to be doing my contour slash bronzer, obviously. Now we're moving on to our eyes, so I'm just pulling out my Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette. And first I'm just going to be going into the color In the Zone and putting that on the outer corner of my crease. Now I'm going into the color Heat and just putting that in the middle of my crease. And then I'm going into the color Shameless and just putting that on the inner corner of my crease. Now I'm moving on to my eyelid, and I'm just going to be going back into the color In the Zone and just putting that on my eyelid, on the outer corner of my eyelid. Just basically doing the same exact thing that I did on the crease, since this is a smoky eye. And then now I'm going back into the color Heat and just putting that on the middle of my eyelid. And then going into the color Shameless and putting that on the inner corner of my eye as well. Okay guys, and now I'm going into the color Knockout and just putting that on my brow bone. Now we are moving on to under eyes, and I'm just going to be doing the same exact thing that I did on my eyelid and on my crease on my under eyes. I'm going to be taking out my NYX Professionals Slide On Eye Pencil in the color White Blank and just putting this on my waterline. And now I'm moving on to my favorite part. I'm going to be taking out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti Liquefied Eyeshadow in the color Sweet Spot, and I'm just going to be taking out a thin brush like this, and I'm going to be doing a cut crease line with the glitter, a half cut crease line. The best advice I could give you about this is just to go lightly and kind of almost do a trace and then start filling. Now I'm just taking out my ColourPop Sandstorm palette, and I'm just going to be using the color Get Lost, and I'm just going to be putting this on top of the Sweet Spot liquefied eyeshadow we applied. So you're going to be really careful with this because it is glitter that we are going to be using. So just to kind of like make sure that you're steady with it and stuff, and just be very careful not to get it anywhere else. Now I'm just taking out my NYX Professionals That Is a Point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be doing a wing. I'll be right back. I'm just going to do the other eye off camera, and then we'll move on with everything else. So I obviously finished my other eye, and I put on some lashes, and I actually put on some of the NYX Slide On Eye Pencil in the color White Blank in the inner corner of my eye, just because I feel like it needed it to make the look. Oh my gosh, this looks so freaking beautiful. I'm so happy with it. I'm using the Tarte 9 Ways to Shine highlighter, blush, and bronzer palette thingy. These are so cute. I got these at Ulta. I'll have them linked down below. Perfect Christmas present, just saying. Anyways, this is the highlighter in the color Snow Kiss. And now I'm just pulling out the blush in the color Prize. Now I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquefied Lipstick in the color Faking It. And now I'm just pulling out my Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or scene requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located right over here, and it'll also be linked down below, along with my latest video, which is playing underneath me right now, so you guys should definitely check that out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos, which is actually on Fridays. I'm still figuring out the exact time, but I think it's going to be around like 6 or 7. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, beauty babes, I think that is all I have to say. So bye-bye, beauty babes. Love you.